Imagine in the next 1 hour you create a 5-minute video about a particular website, post it on YouTube, and by this time tomorrow or within 24 hours you get paid a $50 straight to your bank account. Now, I'm a bit mad at myself, to be honest with you, because in the past few days I've been talking about creating a lot of YouTube shorts using a particular website, and I was not aware that there's this particular method where you can even create a longer video and actually make money faster and easier. The website I'm talking about is known as warp.com, and within the last 24 hours I've actually completed one of the tasks on this particular website and I've already made money with it. Let me go right ahead and go to my email and show you actually that I've been paid. You can see right here that in the last 15 hours, let me go right ahead and refresh this so that you see this is actually legit. And if we go to the actual website, you can see right here that I had my first submission, the video that I actually submitted to the platform, approved right here, and I started getting paid. And you can see I had started receiving the notifications right here. You can see Team WAP paid Jones Mbuso 9.4, 1.6, and even right now they're still paying me. Actually, you can see right here, and so far I'll show you exactly how much I've made in total. And I'm quite a bit disappointed with myself because I wasn't aware of this particular method, and the recent video I posted about this particular platform actually got denied because when I went to submit it, when I found out about this particular method of posting longer videos on YouTube and getting paid by this particular platform, when I submitted the video I was told that I didn't submit it within 1 hour. So it's one of the requirements in order for you to actually get paid with this particular website. You need to submit your link within 1 hour of posting. So you can see right here, even in my email, I've been receiving emails, and you can see the first email I received it 15 hours ago, and I was paid $9.4, and I'll even show you the video actually that is paying me this. The way you make money with this platform is that you just join what we call campaigns or content reward programs. You can join any of these content reward programs and you can simply start clipping or creating 15-second short videos. However, the method I'm going to show you in this video, you don't need to create these short videos. With a 5-minute plus video, you will be paid $50 per 1,000 views. And to find that content reward program right here, you just click on highest CPM. When you click right here, you see the WAP University. Now you need to join this one, and the good thing is that it's free to join. You can see right here they're saying content type is UGC. UGC simply means user generated content, and the platforms is YouTube. You publish to YouTube. So all you have to do is right here, when you click on it, you just simply, now for you, if you haven't joined this one, you have to click, you see a join option right here. You just click on join. Personally, when I actually signed up on this platform, I had joined this one but wasn't aware that you can actually submit, or I didn't see where to submit the 5-minute video. And on my channel, you can see right here I had this video that did very well, and I've actually missed out on $300. It was published 3 days ago where I shared with you, those of you who have been on the channel, the actual platform. In my case, when I did click on the content reward section, you can see right here on the platforms that are shown, you can only see TikTok and X, or formerly known as Twitter. So, and they were offering $5 per 1,000 views. So initially I was surprised because when I joined WAP University, what motivated me was the $50 per 1,000 views content. So after posting this video actually right here, I came to WAP, tried to actually submit the link so that I can get paid. However, I could not see exactly where to submit my link, hence could not submit to the platform. So what you are supposed to do when you click on the content rewards, in your case, when you actually create that 5-minute video, and the good thing with WAP University, the content you are creating should just be anything about WAP. You talk about maybe any of the platforms on this, maybe any of the content rewards that you've joined, and maybe you can show proof, share it with others, share as information about WAP with others so that others can also make money from this platform. Right here, you see here where it says all rewards. So you click right here. So right here you can see the option WAP YouTube video. Initially what I did, my second video where I updated you on the same platform right here, you can see that I even actually the video still was just posted 22 hours ago and only has 567 views. And from these 567 views, let me show you how much I've been paid. So I'm going to click right here where it says my submissions right here. I'm being transparent with you, and I want to show you that I practice what I preach. What I share with you, I'm not a guru, I'm not an expert with making money. What I share with you is everything I'm also trying out myself. This is what I'm also doing to make money, and all I'm sharing with you is not like maybe I've made millions already. That's not the case. I'm also in it for the hustle. So here you can see right here WAP YouTube video, and you can see that so far I've been paid $26.45, and you can see I think it actually makes sense because the video has about 500,000 views. So immediately when it reaches 1,000 views, will have maybe a $50. So initially this one I could have made almost like $300, and I missed out because I did not submit the link within the first 1 hour after publishing the video. So hopefully when you actually create your video, make sure you come right here to the rewards section, and when you immediately you upload your video, you have to click right here on WAP University. You see here on WAP YouTube video, and here that's why you have to submit your video. And you can see the requirements. Video must be at least 5 minutes long. The video must be dedicated to using WAP, and you just click right here where it says submit. Now here on the submission page, what you're supposed to do when you publish the video to YouTube, you are going to get the link for the video and you're going to paste it right here like that. Then you're also going to upload the same video that you published to YouTube. You're going to upload it here and you click submit. The reason they want you to upload the video is to show proof that it's your content and you're not stealing content from somewhere.